everyone, my name's DJ Kopp, veteran of going over the wall in NASCAR's Elite Racing Series for over 15 years. Currently, I'm an analyst on ESPN's NASCAR Now show. From Ingersoll Rand, the original inventor of the impact tool in 1934, comes a revolutionary product unlike anything else on the market today. Hammerhead. With 180 foot-pounds of max torque operating at 7,100 RPM, Hammerhead offers more than twice the power than the leading competitor's air ratchet. Now that's max power. With its feather touch trigger and its unique two-position forward power regulator that also doubles as the forward and reverse ring, that allows you to have max control. With a head height in less than 2 inches and its reactionless torque, that allows you to use this powerful tool in tight spaces. Now that's max access. Hammerhead, power of an impact, reach of a ratchet. Today we're in Concord, North Carolina at Hefty Automotive. And in a moment, we're going to be talking with some of the service technicians, introducing them to the new Hammerhead. I've been hiding it from them, so this right now is going to be the first time they've actually had a chance to use the Hammerhead. Let's go interrupt my buddy Pete here. And Pete, got a new tool from Ingersoll Rand. I want you to check it out and tell me what your first thought is. I'll switch with you.
Wow. What is this, a new air ratchet you guys are coming out with?
That's what you'd think it would be, but it's actually not. It's an impact tool. You believe me on that one?
Wow. I'll believe it when I see it.
All right, you want to try it on something? So we're still at Hefty Automotive, and I've got my buddy Pete with me still. Pete, we're underneath another one of your vehicles that needs some work done to it, so show us an application of how the Hammerhead would come in useful.
Well, this transfer case bolt right here, the angle that we have wouldn't be very easy to get out with this impact wrench.
All right, so here's the Hammerhead. Show everybody at home how easy that can get in there. Come out with any problems?
Oh, very easy.
Very easy. Now, one of the things, he could have very well gone ahead and used his normal impact, but then you would have had to use an extension to get up around this cross member. That ultimately takes torque away from the tool. Now, you might be thinking, hey, why don't we just get up there with a standard air ratchet? Well, you very well could have. You get up in here, but here's the problem. Some of these stubborn bolts, you end up having to get in here, leverage it yourself a little bit. Well, what's the purpose of that? Allow the tool to do the work for you. The Hammerhead does just that. Makes your day a lot easier. Right there, okay. So right now, Pete and I are discussing another application where the Hammerhead would come in useful. So I'm going to go ahead and let Pete tell the guys at home, how are you going to use this Hammerhead here? What are you working on?
Well, we're working on this alternator bolt right here. We can't get an impact in there because of the space. Typically, I would use a hand ratchet, but let's see how this Hammerhead does.
That's a little easier than a hand ratchet, huh?
Came right out, no problem.
Excellent. Well, at this time, I want to go ahead and thank Pete and the guys at Hefty Automotive. You guys at home have already seen and heard the testimonials, seen how the Hammerhead works. If you'd like to get some more information on it, go to irtools.com to find out how there's a whole new angle on impacts.